lot last year. You did. You made another human being. Or you found that one person out of like 7 billion who you're meant to be with.
On this one?
Yeah. Or you bought a house, or you got a new job, or you went on a really important business trip to Des Moines. You had a big year, and you should be able to answer some questions about it. That's what taxes are. A recap, the story of your year. And we think you're the best person to tell that story. Intuit TurboTax. It's amazing what you're capable of.
What is this called?
A giant, dinosaur.
One second. Hold on, I just gotta get a little more. This doesn't sound I'm not gonna mess with rain. You could die if you
I'm praying.
Look away, your kitchen's on fire. Hey, look. Your kitchen's on
Always
fire.
what is all Mom.
And you got your home insurance, and you got your company car insurance. You might not pay for all that. It's March, and it's May heavy. So get all day. Where agents will keep you protected from mayhem like me.
Mayhem is everywhere. So get it off the agent. Are you in good hands?
We're Southwest. And see that right there? That says Southwest.com. It means you save money dealing directly with us. It means we save money dealing directly with you. Rethinking how to book online, one of the many ways we bring you $69 airfares. For a limited time only, Southwest is offering flights as low as $69. If it matters to you, it matters to us. Book now online, only at Southwest.com.